attendees will watch at a 10 to 20 second delay. That's interesting. Hello, everyone. We're so excited to have you at our webinar for this week. It's going to be on college tips and tricks. As always, you can go into the live Q&A and ask us any questions that you want. We'll have someone to respond to you. And we hope that you enjoy this presentation. We really try to make it be applicable to things that will be helpful to you as prospective students. So we're going to get started on our PowerPoint. Let me bring it up real quick. Okay, so we're all of us ambassadors here are talking about college tips and tricks, things that have helped us as we've gone through the college experience and things that we wish we would have known as freshmen.
Awesome. Well, the academic advisors that are on campus are such an amazing resource. There's one with every single major, but there's also some for the first-year students, for freshmen. They're located in the LoC Center, and if you go up there, you can either schedule an appointment and meet with someone, but most of them are also available for walk-ins, so just anytime that's convenient for you, you can walk in and talk to an advisor there. They're awesome at helping you figure out your classes that you need to take, and then what credits will transfer, like it says your AP or your CE classes. They'll also help you know what major you want to pick out. I know for myself, I rely on my advisor every single time I need to register for classes. I won't register for one without talking to my advisor first, just because it is so helpful to make sure that I'm getting the credits that I need. That's also helpful if you're thinking about changing your major. You can talk to an advisor for that major, and they'll help you know which credits will transfer over and if this is a good switch or a right match for you. But this is an awesome resource. Talk to them at least once every semester. They're super helpful.
Okay, so what I'm going to be talking about is our tutor labs. And so we have some amazing resources here at UVU. And honestly, this first one I'm about to talk about is helping me currently, because I am currently taking a math course that's a little bit rough. But we have a math lab, which is located in the Liberal Arts Building, and it's free tutoring to all UVU students. So if you need any help with your math assignments, with anything with math, they'll be able to help you out, and the hours are between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then another awesome resource is our writing lab. So if you're having to write a lot of essays for your classes, especially the ones that you need help with, like APA format and everything, there are also students that work for the university that will be able to help you for free and help you with writing and spell checking and just helping your essay be the best it can be. And the hours are 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. So please use these resources. They've helped me so much. Oh, it's still me. Okay, so another thing that has really helped me out at UVU is all the many places you can study throughout campus. So I'm the type of person, I have a hard time studying at my apartment, especially since I share it with other people. So I love that there's different study rooms that you can reserve in the library and in the Clark building. Then there's also special quiet areas throughout campus where you can study and you can meet with other students for doing group projects. And then also throughout campus, there are desks and chairs and tables and all these different things just set up that you'll be able to study at the school. So yeah, I honestly love being able to study here at UVU. It helps me just focus more and So I just invite you to take advantage, especially of the study rooms. They've helped me a lot, especially with when I do group projects with other students.
Awesome. Well, this is my personal favorite spot on campus. I almost said on library. That's funny. It is my favorite spot in the library too. This is our circulation desk, and this honestly is a huge budget-friendly money saver sent from the heavens miracle that we have here on campus. Here you can check out any textbook that professors have assigned to you in your classes. You can get them for 2 hours, and it's super helpful if your professors only assign just a few amount of reading assignments throughout the week or throughout the semester. You can go into the library, check out your textbook, finish your assignment, and return it, and you don't have to spend any money on your textbooks. Another example, one of my stats textbooks that I have right now, I was able to go to the circulation desk and they printed it out for me. So instead of paying like $50, $60 for my textbook, I paid $10 for a copy. So this is an awesome resource for students who, like me, are broke college students and would like to save some money. There's also some other things that you can check out as well. There's chargers for your phone, photography equipment, video and audio equipment, presentation equipment. There's also fun things like skeletons and rocks if you're into checking out that kind of stuff. And then they also have telescopes. So this is an awesome resource that I hope you'll use.
Okay, so this is mine. It's a thing that we have here on campus called Wolverine Wednesday. So every Wednesday, we wear green. We wear UVU attire and we get free and discounted stuff all over campus. It's something that I wish I would have taken advantage of as a freshman. I definitely take advantage of it now, but I wish I would have known a little bit more about how much free stuff you can get. So the zone gives out food from 11:30 to 1 for those wearing UVU apparel. It's free as long as you're wearing UVU stuff. And you can get discounts and freebies at every restaurant at UVU. If you go to UVU's website by searching Wolverine Pride, it will tell you all about the different discounts you can get from all of the different food places on campus, which is so awesome because you wear a UVU shirt, you get discounts. It's great. And then you can also get discounts at the bookstore and the bowling alley, which I didn't know until super recently. But the bowling alley gives $1 bowling on Wolverine Wednesdays for those wearing UVU gear. So just make sure you're showing your school pride and wearing UVU attire and you get benefits from it, which is really awesome. I think that's a really cool thing that UVU does for its students to just make college life a little bit easier and a little bit more fun.
Going along with Wolverine Wednesday, something that Costa Vida and Scoops offered, this is offered every day, every semester, all the time. It's the Wolverito, and you can purchase the Wolverito burrito for $5.41 and get a free 24-ounce drink anytime. The Wolverito is offered at the Costa Vida on campus at the Sorensen Student Center. And when you get your receipt, you might as well fill out a survey to get a free, you just get free chips and salsa or chips and queso. And then at Scoops, when you ask for, when you ask for 1 scoop, you get 3. And when you ask for 2 scoops, you get 6. So that's something that's really exciting. And they also offer free popcorn on Wolverine Wednesday, like Sadie was talking about, all the freebies. And there are 2 locations for Scoops on campus, the Sorensen Student Center and the Clark Building. Also, this is something that I'm involved with and I absolutely love it. It's the UVU Student Alumni Association membership. That is a mouthful, but when you pay your membership fee, you get into all the events for free on campus. So the student alumni is always planning events for you guys, and we just had one last week. It was called Burning of the UVU. This is a tradition that we do on campus, and when you come, you get free swag and you get free shirts, free fanny packs, free hats, things like that, and you get into every event for free. So if you're interested in joining, you can join at uvualumni.org.
Okay. So when you guys watch college movies, do they not start every scene with like a little club rush where they're like, join our club, you can like be a part of it, that's so fun. We have that too. UVU has that too. We actually have over 400 clubs on campus, and I feel like you might think that's an exaggeration, but it's not, because I was looking at it today and they're just a list. It's just endless. It just goes on and on. The slogan for UVU is do more of what you love. And I think that's a really cute slogan, like if you're going to go to college and you're going to pursue higher education, you might as well be doing something that you really like to do. And I think clubs are a great way to get that extracurricular activity. It's really cool because you can start your own club and all you need is an advisor and a couple of friends. I had friends, my roommate started a club actually, and she let me join it, which I thought was fun. And it's really cool that you can take initiative. And as you see down below, I listed tons of types of clubs. So really, there is no limit to what you can do. There's bachata, animation, there's a clubs club, which I thought was hilarious. Green club, history club. I personally want to join the sewing club because that just sounds very peaceful and fun. Yeah, and so honestly, these were just a couple of them out of like many. So maybe if you're just bored one day, you should check it out because it's pretty exciting. They're really fun.
Hi guys. Right, so let me talk to you about the student lounge. I want you to close your eyes. Imagine that delicious smell of like a 50s diner wafting into your nose. You're thinking burgers, fries, chocolate shakes. There's jamming music surrounding you. There's plush chairs, big TVs, an assortment of games and activities. Your friends are there. You're laughing, hanging out, having a good old time. Open your eyes. You are in the student lounge. All you need to access this, the promised land, is your student ID, which is super duper cool. So the student lounge is located right here on campus in the Student Life and Wellness Center. So if you've got some time in between classes and you don't want to run home just to run back, you can come hang out here in between. Personally, I come here a lot more often than just in between my classes. My roomies and I have spent so many evenings here, and we don't want to be cooped up in our tiny apartment, but we don't want to spend money because my favorite thing about the student lounge is it's free. To get a plethora of video games, tools for the pool, air hockey, foosball, all you need to do is give your student ID to the desk for collateral. That's it. We've had dance parties there at 10 o'clock at night, which are some of my favorite memories on UVU campus. I've played hours of Mario Kart, won every time. Do not test me on this. I'm terrible at pool, but I will get better because I'm going more often to practice. And then Wendy's is located right there. So if you need a snack or you need a whole meal, it's very convenient. You just walk 2 steps and it's right there. And then the gym. Once more, a college kid's favorite word, the gym is free if you take over 10 credits. A free gym, guys, like no iffy binding contracts, and there's no long commute because it's also located in the Student Life and Wellness Center. Guys, I go to the gym before class every day, and like every normal human being, I sweat. So that I don't have to run home, shower, and then run back to get to class, I shower in the gym showers. They are so nice. I was afraid at first because of like past experiences with like gross bathrooms, but they're super clean. They're super safe, which is so important. They're techie. They're green on the inside. I just love them. And there's so many options and different ways to exercise when you're in there. We've got an 8-mile track. We've got treadmills. We've got ellipticals. We've got those rotating stair things. I don't know what they're called, but they're stairs and they rotate for you. So we have specific options, and we also have a lot of them. So you don't have to wait to use a certain machine like you do at other gyms. We also have a 3-story rock climbing wall called the Project, which is really cool, an outdoor thing indoors. As a dancer myself, the dance rooms are such a blessing because it's a space for training right nearby since I can't do it in my tiny apartment. There's like a cute little whiteboard in there that tells you so much info about classes of the week, like spin classes, Zumba, and so much if you don't know what to do by yourself, but you want to get exercising. And everything in there is clean. The equipment, the weights, the floor, the mirrors, it's just also clean, so I feel safe in times like this and all times.
Okay, the Health and Wellness Center. Do you guys like the picture? I think it's so cute. I personally believe that this is the best kept secret at UVU because they have massage chairs and no one knows about them. Out of 40,000 students that attend UVU, no one knows about the massage chairs that are available to students. And we're letting you know about this fun secret. And I've used them before and they are very fun and relaxing. It's located actually right next to the gym in the Student Life and Wellness Center. It's just right across from the gym. And it's very nonchalant and no one really notices it. But they have so many amenities that are very helpful for students. There are nutritional coaches that can help you with your eating habits. I have on multiple occasions like talked to them just because I don't know, it's really hard to just eat ramen constantly in college. And so they know ways to make it better. Inside their office, they have a napping room, and I'm not kidding about this. They call it something else. They call it like a peace or stress relieving room, but it's really a napping room. And no one knows about it, and it's really great and fun. So if you ever just need to take a nap, like don't go sit on the couches. Go to the napping room. They also have a really neat machine for body mass index, and that's just where you can measure like your total percentage of fat or your total percentage of muscle and like how much your bones weigh. And I don't know, I just think it's super cool because that way you just get to learn more about your health, which is great. Also, they offer so many fun amenities, and they have a little flyer spinny thing outside their office, but they have free cooking classes. It's one that I wanted to point out, and it's every week, and you just get to go and learn and eat free food. So yeah, shout out to the Health and Wellness Center. And that, my friends, was the college tips and tricks. There are so many more, but these were our favorites, and we just really loved sharing them with you. I could tell that we were all super excited about what we were sharing. If you have any questions, we'll still be on for a couple minutes. You just put them in the live Q&A. And then please tell your friends about these fun webinars that you get to just learn about, your future. We really appreciate you coming on, and we hope you have a great night. Thank you.